everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today, as you can see, we got two new racing seats from NRG and an OMP steering wheel. Let's have a closer look at what we got. So these are the NRG FRP 310 bucket seat. They are made out of fiberglass, and they seem to be like a pretty good material and quality, but they don't match. So unfortunately, I ordered these at two different times. As you can see, there's just a material difference on the front. So here we have on the shoulder bolster, we have this plasticky stuff, which is fine. However, the newest one I ordered has more of a suede. I'm sure it's fake suede, but it feels a lot nicer and even looks better. So I've already decided this is going to be my driver's seat, and this is going to be my passenger seat. However, something still didn't seem right. So coming around to the side view, might be able to see this easier, but the newer seat that I received sits much lower around like the hip area, which is much more comfortable and easier to get into on the car. As you can see, that's quite a difference for these two seats. As we turn these seats around, you can see there's a difference in the casting. So here we have this depression that runs around the top and the bottom. It looks kind of nice. Over here, nothing. So the whole thing is concaved. Either way, they both fit in the car and have the same footprint when you bolt them down. So another thing worth mentioning is about these seats, they're really not that comfortable. So if you're anything like me, you need a good amount of lumbar support. So which this thing offered absolutely none. So what I did to combat that was go grab one of my kids' pool noodles, cut a foot section out of it and slice it in half. And luckily it fits right in here between the Velcro sections and gives me this contour that I need to make it more comfortable. And on an entirely different note, here are some of these custom brackets that I made just to fit this in the car. So I did a quick video on how to make those brackets, and I'll leave a link or a card for it right up top here. Alright, on the bathroom scale showing it's like 23 pounds even with the crate, with the actual mounting brackets, so not bad. Alright, so I bought both of these seats about 6 months apart from each other on Amazon, so it's probably my own mistake, and I kind of thought this might happen. So between ordering and the time delay, maybe they've changed something along the manufacturing of them, but both came through DNA Racing as a supplier, so that I really can't explain. So now it's time to try and get these in the car. Alright, we got the seats bolted in. They are looking good. So now we can turn our attention to putting a steering wheel on here. Alright, in this box we have an OMP racing steering wheel. This is a 14-inch model. This is model number OD2018-LN. which has a flat bottom, which is perfect for this car that I'm putting in. Has absolutely no room in it, so that's going to work out perfectly. So additionally, we need to put on a quick release so I can get this thing out of my way to get in the car. Let's have a closer look at this stitch work and leather on this thing. So I was fortunate enough to have a quick release steering system laying around the house. This is like several years old from several cars ago. I've never got to put on, so now it's going to have its opportunity. Let's have a closer look. So this is a two-piece design. I know there's a lot better models coming out nowadays, but this separates. This is going to go to the steering hub, and this will get mounted right to the steering wheel. All right, now we can just put it on. There it is. Waited a long time for this. Not bad. All right, there you have it. So once again, thank you for watching, everybody. Please hit that button right there, and all the links to the products I use in this video will be in the description below. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.